So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound, and finally a new game, that is the Arcade February certification zone, is live. Now here you can earn one more arcade point, so total it makes 15 arcade points for the February month. Simply you have to click on start over here, and how to join, it's very simple. You have to just copy the code and simply make sure you are signed into your Cloud Skills Boost account. And after that you have to simply enter the access code. So just enter the access code, paste it and just join it. Now once you have successfully joined, you can see these are the labs which we have to complete, and for the solutions I have already uploaded in the channel. You can just check the playlist which I have attached in the description box of this video. So here is the playlist, you can see, and complete all the challenges. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and have a great day ahead.